Hi everyone, welcome. This is a quick video for how to manage your own personal access tokens inside Konnect. You do need credentials to use any of the APIs or use the deck utility or anything command line related when working with Konnect. Otherwise, you can just come to the interface here and click on different things here, click around, and then start configuring things if you have the right type of control plane. So you need a personal access token. There are two types of access tokens. One of them is a personal access for users, and the other one type of access tokens they have are for systems, so for any kind of automation or anything. So this video is just for the personal access tokens because we have to do some things in other videos, so I needed to get this out here. We will go over system access tokens later. So first of all, after you log in to Konnect, you can click on your user in the upper right here, and you can click on personal access tokens to get over to your personal access tokens. You can bookmark this. I could bookmark this, and I could say KPAT for Kong or for Konnect personal access tokens. Yeah, just bookmark that. The URL is also found if you're searching for deck. I'm in the wrong link here. So here, if you're searching for deck, we haven't gone over deck yet in some of the other videos, but deck is a command line utility for managing bulk declarative configuration for the gateway. So down here, it'll take you to, if you're just trying to figure out how to use Konnect, it'll talk about user account token or system token here. So one thing here is they do have a link here for system token. It'll take you to the documentation on this page here, and it'll move you down. No, it's not this page. Let's go click on that link just to show you what I'm talking about. So it'll take you here on the manage system accounts here. But for user access token, there is not a link here. It can get confusing. That's why I pointed out right off the bat here. The way you get to it is this today is this link right here. It's right off the user account. But instead, if you like go to your account itself, so if you're in the account view, you might be looking for personal access token. It's not on here, so you might be confused about where to find it if you're missing it right here. If you don't see this right here and you're just clicking around, you're not going to see it. You're also not going to see it if you go into organization. It's making me authenticate again. Okay. If you go into organization and you go into users and then you go into here, here you're looking at the permissions that this particular user has right now. Okay, so this is all the permissions it has. We'll go over this in the service as well. But you notice even under user actions or anything like that, the link is not here to manage the user tokens versus if you go here, if I go to system accounts, I created a demo system account earlier. The link is here to manage token. I think the reason is because in this view, this code that's presenting this page, they don't want just anybody managing somebody else's personal tokens because it's a per user thing. It's not a system thing where you have, other admins per se, like maybe refreshing a token after another admin had left the organization or whatever, but it's right up here inside the personal access tokens. So once we get to this page, we just click Generate Token. These tokens can last for up to 1 year. You can't set your custom, there's no custom expiration you can set yet today. That might be coming later on, but you can set these tokens for whatever you want to set them to up to 1 year. And the options here, so you got like 5 options basically. So the shortest is 7, the longest is 1 year. So I can say my token and click generate. So this is the only time, like as soon as you generate this, this is the only time you can get it. You can get your token. So you're going to want to copy it and you're going to want to save it to a file. This is another token that doesn't exist anymore. So you're just going to want to save it to a file and you can save it off something off of your root or something like that. I just put no extension. And off of the main root here, I just say, just call it, I'll start with a dot and I'll call it like, KPAT token or something like that, and then say go ahead and replace it. Yeah, sure, that's fine. And that's how we create a token. let's say I've copied the token. You'll see your tokens up here, uh, and you'll see when they're expiring and whatnot. So it's tied to your user ID, and you can use the token to interact with either the API, which we'll go over in other calls, just talking to Konnect using just straight up API calls, or using the deck command line utility. Thanks for watching, and talk to you later. See you in the next video.